channel. It is the Candy Thief. And today I'm going to be opening up Capsule Chix. Yay! The Ram Rock collection. Ooh, I wonder what's in this one. Let's open it up. Ooh, look what I got. It has a yellow bottom. Does that mean special? Dad, boss baby, can you come help me?
Have you ever heard of an invention called scissors? Scissors, scissors, yeah, cool, baby.
Thank you, Daddy, boss baby. This will be easier. Oh my God, what is this? What is that? That's the torso, I guess. Anything else? Okay, no. Put that to the side. Next one. Oh, yellow bottom does not mean special because it's on every single one. So, guys, if you want to subscribe, just hit the red button. Yeah, the red button, not the bell button, the red button. Okay, this is the stand. Is her weird face. That's how she looks. Okay. What? Okay, I need the body to do that. Oh my God. There. One's supposed to come out. So guys, I'm pretty happy about this girl. She's actually kind of cute, but we gotta keep opening, okay? Oh, and guys, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be a part of my crazy squad. Ugh, why is this so hard to open? Oh, here's the zip tie. I never saw that. If you guys want Capsule Chix, here's my suggestion. Go to Target. Oh, my dad's eating oatmeal over there. Look. Now I'm going to cut open the baggie because it's easier. Hopefully I get the legs and the clothes and the stuff like that. Okay, this is a handbag, which is weird. And these big boots. Hi, I'm Mr. One-Leg Person with a boot. Let's put this off to the side so we can get to the next one. Oh, another yellow bottom. Aww. This is so difficult. Oh, there. Why was I putting so much effort into that? Okay, I'm just acting weird now. Okay, here are her legs, finally. I'm going to put on the boots. Oh, how do you get, oh, there. Oh, like that? Oh, right, like that. What? Stick in. This is a big boot. Okay, it doesn't even fit her. Oh, there's a ring. I did not notice that. Oh, wait, is that a bracelet? I think yeah, that's a bracelet. Oopsies. Okay, now I'm going to connect her. Guys, write in the comments who you think this is. I think it's a gymnastics person with weird boots on. There. Okay. I'm going to add her handbag. Wait a second. Where's the back of her head and her hair? Let's keep opening. There. Yay, another yellow capsule. There we go. Okay. I think this is the back of her head and her hair. Let's see. Oh, yep, I was right. Her hair. Yep, just her hair. What? This crazy hair. Okay. Oh, I get it. Why she doesn't have a back of a head. So her hair can attach in. Like that. Perfect. Beautiful. Now I'm just acting weird. Yeah, really weird. How many times did I say weird? Weird, weird, weird. Okay, that's just being weird. Okay, I just said it again. Oh my god, I dropped a piece. Okay. There's how she looks without her bracelet. Where'd her bracelet go? It's so tiny. Where is it? You gotta be. Oh, here it is. The tiniest thing ever. Where is it supposed to go? Oh. On her wrist, of course. I don't know. Was I hearing things? Or is that the toy ghost? Okay. Ugh, this is so hard. There. Slide it down a little bit. There. Perfect. Now, are there any more? I feel like there's one more. Is there? Are there any more? Oh, here's the manual. Oh my god. Why do they make these things so difficult to open? Where's the stand? Oh, here it is. How do you connect this? How does the girl connect to this? Does she sit on that? Oh. Wait a second. Wait a second. You can attach both girls to it. Or is that a two-stand? Mr. Boss, can you come help me? Mr. Boss.
It's pretty obvious it's a stand, man.
Thanks, Mr. Boss. You're so helpful, but sometimes kind of rude. Okay. There we go. Now I know how to do this. Mr. Boss helped me. Okay, now I'm just being weird. Okay. Oopsies. Why are these called stands if they don't stand? Must be a mistake. Put your head back. There. That's our first doll. Let's put all this rubbish out of the way. Guys, I would say this is actually really worth it because it's so cute and you can stand them up and they're actually really good quality. I would suggest the Ram Rock collection. See you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.
This is Mr. Boss going out on a date with Capsule Chix.
Mr. Boss is gonna save the day. Woohoo! Owie.
Hey, you better hit that bell, but not too hard, you know what I mean?